how to fix Forza Horizon 5 sign-in needed. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go to your settings here. From the settings, you want to click the X button, then you will go into network, and right here what we need to do is to go and select settings and then set up internet connection. Now find the Wi-Fi which you are connected to, and then you want to press this button. So you want to press this button on your controller. Once you press it, you will go into advanced settings. Here, change the DNS settings from automatic to manual and type for the primary DNS 1111, and then for the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, you will click on OK and it's going to test your connection. Okay, so once you have confirmed this, then we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be simply resetting your Microsoft password. You want to reset your password and see if that fixes the Horizon game for you. If it doesn't, then you will go into users and accounts, then you want to select other, restore licenses, and here you'll just select Forza Horizon 5 and you will press on restore. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.